Alright. Here are three garage door openers here at a friend of mine, one of my teachers' house here. She's got three of them, and there's the openers. She actually has four of them here. She's got one in the basement, which, if you notice, if you look at the doors there, if you notice, those two are different. And that one there, which I'm just gonna run up one time. See this? By the way, I have one of these at my house, including my aunt. See, you got the light. Go ahead and run them up. So we'll start with that one first here. Alright, so here we go. Very nice, quiet, runs very smooth. And I'll do that one again here. Now we'll do the big one. That one's got LED bulbs. I'll put that down. Back to the other one. Kind of way outside, so I'm not going to do that. Now to the yellow here. Alright, so y'all go. Alright, there y'all go. Hope y'all enjoy.